Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for government hostel applications. First, understand the specific eligibility criteria for various government hostel programs, as these can differ significantly. Next, gather all necessary documents, which typically include proof of identity, income statements, and academic records. Finally, locate the official government portal or the specific department responsible for managing these applications to ensure you are on the correct platform. Once you have identified the correct portal, your next step is to create an account using a valid email address and a strong password. Proceed to accurately fill out every section of the online application form, paying close attention to detail. Afterwards, upload scanned copies of all your supporting documents, ensuring they are in the specified formats like PDF or JPEG and meet any size restrictions. Before you hit the Submit button, take a moment to meticulously review all the information you have entered to prevent any errors. Once submitted, immediately note down your unique application reference number. This is crucial for all future inquiries. Make it a habit to regularly check the status of your application through the online portal or by contacting the official helpline for updates. To ensure a smooth application, always make sure all your uploaded documents are clear, legible, and meet the specified size requirements, often under 2 megabytes per file. Pay close attention to application deadlines. Many portals close precisely at 5 p.m. on the final day. If you encounter any technical issues or have questions, do not hesitate to seek assistance from the official helplines provided on the government website.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.